Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use DeepL Write to change tone. So what is tone in DeepL Write first? Well, DeepL Write tone means how your text sounds. So we have three tones: the formal, informal, and clear and simple. So for the formal, that sounds professional and polite. Informal, casual and friendly. For the simple, it's easy to read, okay? So actually guys, first you will need just to go and open up your free browser and then just go with deepl.com. Then click on the DeepL Write just like so to be forwarded into the DeepL Write page. So right here, you will need just to pass or type your text, okay, and then just look for tone or style options if available. So to say them, you will need to have the subscription or the DeepL Pro, right? So type or write, for example, we'll go with that option or that sentence. So here you will be able to choose the formal, informal, and simplified, okay? So if you have, as I told you, the premium or the pro version, you will be able to see these three tones. And then just click on the suggested rewrite and your text updates with the new tone. Also, if you have the pro version but you don't even see a tone button, you will need just to click on sentence or word, right, and then just go, for example, with replace word or rephrase sentence, okay? So for example, we go with rephrase sentence, and right here DeepL will show the alternative versions, so just pick the one that matches your tone, okay? So as I told you, if you want it to be more polite, it's formal. If you want a shorter and slang one, it's informal, right? So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.